Hello, I'm Alex Morgan Johnson with Weichert Realtors, Morgan Realty Group. Wanted to touch base with you about something that I think is so important. I do need to preface this and want to preface this by saying I am not an attorney. Do not take this for legal advice. It's just something I've run into a lot in the past couple of years and want to make sure you guys are protecting yourself when it comes to your properties or things you own. So end of life planning is so important. We don't know when that's going to happen, right? If we knew, we'd all probably live life a little differently, hopefully better. But there are things you can do to protect yourself. So joint survivorship, again, not an attorney, transfer on death, certain things that I think you should put into place. Joe and myself just recently met with an attorney and got all of our documents signed. We had them, but they were from years ago, so we didn't have kind of everything covered that we needed to. We put our property with the transfer on death, so our kids don't have to probate that. God forbid something happens to us. And then we also did medical power of attorneys, living wills, durable power of attorneys. If one of us becomes unable to make decisions, we have the ability to do that on each other's behalf. And then we did our last will and testaments. I just really, truly believe everybody would be better off if you get this into place. And it could save your heirs money based on what would need to be probated or you would have to do after your passing. They're going through enough stress. The last thing they need to think about is the house, the car, anything like that, to make sure that there's a succession plan, if you will. So again, I am not an attorney. I do not claim I'm an attorney. This is something I deal with quite frequently. Also, don't forget your cars, your mobile homes that you have, even if they're on owned land or rental lots, you can put something on the titles to those to protect you as well. So again, not an attorney, just super helpful advice for a lot of clients I've been dealing with lately who have been having to go through this. So if you have any questions, I'd be happy to refer you to some people I work with quite consistently. For Ottawa, Erie, Huron, Sandusky County, I have attorneys in all those areas that would be happy to help you get those set up for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll refer you to the right people. Alex Morgan Johnson, Weichert Realtors, Morgan Realty Group. Have a great weekend. Bye.